Nigeria Air Force agree bombing IPOB camp. My people, shebi I dey tell una say all dis news wey we dey bring for here say Biafra Liberation Army dey get one kind battle with Nigeria Air Force and military. Una think say na lie. Now they don come outside come agree say as dey put am o, say dey bomb IPOB camp. I will paste the news for here for you to see am. So Nigeria Air Force don come outside now come talk say true true dem dey bomb IPOB camp. When those men dey talk, some people go talk say na fake news. Na fake news, but dem don come outside now come confirm am say dey battle with IPOB. Who dem dey call IPOB? Na Biafra Liberation Army, na dem dem dey refer to, because na those guys dey engage dem for inside bush for there. So however, we go go ahead go read that how they take talk am say they take bomb the place. Nigeria Air Force claims simultaneous airstrike on alleged IPOB camp. You see the way they put it. I tell una say some news wey you go dey get for those local media, people like us wey dey talk truth, wey dey talk am na so we dey bring am. You cannot see it on our television. You can't see it on a big television because those people, they don't compromise them to not be showing everything. There's some things they will show, there's some things they will not show. But today, when they bring you say this war where they go on between Biafra Liberation Army and Nigeria, this is not true. Things are happening, not true. So they don't come now, come talk outside, say they bomb, it says they take put them, simultaneous airstrike on IPOB, alleged IPOB camps. That's what they take put am. So however, we'll get a lot of story to hear today. So many things don't happen, and we will go ahead, go look into it. So stay tuned as we dey bring am back to back to you. They say no be small thing dey happen for Imo State. For Ijato, Gunmen don visit one traditional ruler for there. They say this thing dey happen for Ijato North. Now the gunmen go visit this traditional ruler. They call am Eze Kalu Ikonu for Ijato. Now this thing dey happen. They say those gunmen they carry bomb. They carry bomb, explosion as they swarm everywhere. They do why. Now the whole villagers, everybody they run. Everybody they run kata. Say a lot of small thing happen for there. So they carry the house, everything they burn. They damage so many things for the house as they see am for here. So even cockroach self, yeah, everybody fled, run comot, the villagers run as this thing dey happen. Things dey happen. Well, however, we will go ahead, go read the next ogbonge news we will get for hand today. As na dey hear am, na so we see am o. No be small thing happen for Lagos today. As we dey waka dey go, now they say come o, hey blabber gist you come o, say something dey happen. Now say wetin dey happen, now we carry our camera face that place. They say drug barons, 4 of the kingpins, now be all those king go for drug. They say arrested as Nigeria agency NDLEA. But they say they don't read those people. They don't capture those people for Lagos. If you see drug, your eye go clear, your eyes go. Don't worry, I play the video. May you see how they pack the drugs, they come outside. So you can see the policemen are packing the drugs and everything they read in this people's home. This is a massive barracks. Massive barracks, as you can see. Okay. Wow. Okay. Now so we see am my people. You see how they take raid these drug barrels. Now so they take capture them today. Let's go and read that another ogbonge news we'll get for her today. This one now, with all the waka they go, be like say na Niger Republic will come they go this time. May you see am as it happen for that side. They say some Nigerians for Katsina don dey protest say military option na be the best for Niger Republic, or let's say they agreed on returning the president, which is the president Banzu Banzu to power again. If not, make Nigeria no gree say make Nigeria lead ECOWAS to war. These people wey dey talk this way be Katsina. Remember say they be Buhari's neighbor. Niger and Katsina, as in border dey between Niger and the Katsina. And Buhari build railway from Nigeria to that place. No. They don't turn. Come they don't say no, Nigeria must go this war. The military intervention na be the option. And they say no, they also protest, say no to Kubidita for Africa. So we are going to read that how they take talk am. But una see, they say Nigerians in Katsina State protesting in support of ECOWAS while calling for the Nigeria-led ECOWAS military option to be used in restoring democracy in Niger Republic. You see say those people dey protest or say they want make they use that thing. Why Kano? Listen. Kano protesting last week in Kano State, Nigeria, should not go to war. Now Kano State has said this should not go to war or use military option in Niger Republic. Those in Katsina are disagreeing with Kano. Nigeria get problem, very big problem. You go don wake up, this your brother go talk this, another person go talk another thing. So na so we see am for Katsina today, and they say they know a military option na be the best. So my people, na so we see am today, and na so we dey talk am. So see you in the next episode. We dey bring am back to back as it dey happen to you. Stay tuned. We will say we dey bring am dey call.